Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tackle this mess of a closet that you see right over there. It is disorganized, it is not color coordinated, and it's a mess. So we're going to tackle that today. I gotta say, I usually don't curl my hair and do full face makeup when I'm organizing and cleaning out closets. But I'm not feeling 100% today, and the one thing that always makes me feel better when I'm feeling like sickness coming on is to get ready and look pretty. So it did help by like 50%, so yeah. So here's what we're working with. Our closet is tiny for two people, but that's okay because I'm trying to be more minimalist anyway. So this is my side, and I just have like my uniform hanging on the left, and then long sleeve shirts up here at the top. Over here I have my jeans and pants, which is like way too many. I don't wear half of those. Down here I have crazy mess of sweaters, and down here I have short sleeve shirts and sweater jackets. And then here's my jewelry. And this is a nice little thing here, but I don't really use it that much. This one's empty. This one has t-shirts. I do use this drawer a lot. This one's like pajama pants. This one is leggings. What's in this one? I don't even know. This one's empty. I have two empty spots in there that I need to be utilizing. Like, why? And then this is also something that I keep my clothes in. I have random long sleeve shirts in there, random black shirts in here, I guess, random pair of pants in there, junk in there. Keep my long pants in here. Well, I guess all pants are long, huh? And my sweatshirts in there. I also have this suitcase right here that is full of stuff from my trip that I thought I was going on, but I was sick and I had to call in. And this is some big news I'm whipping out on y'all. I'm actually going to take everything out of this and empty it out because I put my 2 weeks in, and I won't be a flight attendant anymore starting this Friday. So it's kind of a big deal. I'm going to do a whole nother video about that, so make sure you guys watch that if you're interested on why I resigned from being a flight attendant. But yeah, so I'm gonna empty that and empty that onto my bed. And I also am going to do this the Kon Mari method way, where I'm touching everything. If it doesn't spark joy, I'm not gonna keep it. I'm gonna be ruthless this time around, you guys, because I feel like I need a bunch of new clothes anyway. Spring is amongst us, and I just remembered more stuff to show you guys. Being that we don't have much room, I put my shoes in this bin, like my boots, so I need to go through these. Okay, and then over here on this side, I keep more shoes in these two bins, so I'm going to go through those. Oh, here's a sock. I was looking for this sock. It's my favorite. Farm to Feet. These are amazing socks. Wondered where that one went. Okay, and then in this bin, I have random sweaters and crazy fleece-lined pants. So I need to go through this too. I got my work cut out for me, for sure. What time is it? It's like 12:17. I have to pick my daughter up at 2:30. Let's see how much I could get done in that amount of time. Okay, and now check out, after this row of clothes is gone, the mess I have going on here. I have been collecting like things I want to donate over here and just throwing them back there, but I definitely need a better system because that's not okay. You guys, I cannot believe all of this came from that one side of my closet. And then this all donations. And I'm gonna go through each and every piece of this and only put what I love back in here. Okay, so I just finished trying on a bunch of pair of pants and I'm getting rid of all of these. It's bittersweet because I decided I'm getting rid of my skinny pants. Mama doesn't fit into too regular anymore, and it might be a long time until I do. And like these Express jeans, oh my gosh, they're my favorite. But look, like they're ripped right here. Why would I even have those in my closet? Okay, so now I'm gonna start going through all of these, and I'm not gonna keep anything that has the tiniest stain on it. I'm not gonna keep it if it has like peeling on it, or you know, the little clumps of fabric on it. I'm not gonna keep that. If it doesn't fit me, of course I'm not gonna keep it. And if it doesn't spark joy, if when I hold it I'm like, I'm not gonna keep it. Okay, so I just went through my sweaters, and these are the ones I'm getting rid of. These are the ones I'll be keeping, these two. And then I'm keeping these two, but these sweaters are more like the things that I wear around Christmas time and like holidays, because they have like the glitter to them. And so I'm gonna just put sweaters that are things in here that I don't use very often, special occasions, you know. I'm gonna be putting that in this bin. That way all my sweaters are gonna be easily accessible. The ones I do use, they'll be right there in my closet, not under my bed in a storage bin. You guys, I'm making so much progress. I can't talk right because I'm so excited about this. This is what I have so far. I'm gonna tidy it up, and yeah, I still have a couple things to put away. I can't put this away yet because I am on reserve or on call this Thursday, so there's still a slight chance I might have another flight to work. So I'm gonna hang this up so it's not wrinkled in case they call me in. Look at all these hangers. Those are the clothes I'm getting rid of. And yeah, it just feels so freeing to have a tidier closet, but I'm not done yet, so I'll show you guys the finished product here in a minute after I go pick up my daughters from school. Yeah, it'll be later. Okay, bye. I am back home now, and I've put away all the mess that was on the bed except for my flight attendant uniform stuff and then John's stuff. But right now I'm going to go through these, whatever's in these, and then those. Okay, so this is the clothing items I found that I'm no longer going to keep. That was in this little dresser thingamabob. Now I'm going to go through the couple drawers that I have in here. Well, it's pretty much this bin. Oh yeah, that one's empty. That one's empty. Okay, so these three. I'm going to go through those now and see what I can get rid of. Okay, here's the pile that I'm getting rid of from those bins I went through, and I actually narrowed it down to just one bin of pants. And now all of these are empty. I'm going to clean up this mess on the bed and go ahead and finish for tonight because I have to put all this away too. I'm gonna go spend some quality time with my family and finish this up tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I went through John's side of the closet yesterday and got it as organized as I could. And today I am going to put my bikinis, I'm going to try to squeeze them some in here. And no, actually I'm going to squeeze in like the whatever bikini overlay things in there. And I'm going to put my bikinis in one of these extra drawers in here. And then I have to go through my shoes and I'll be done. So, oh, and then I have to empty out my suitcase because I won't be needing to leave it here on an everyday basis. Wondering if crew scheduling is going to call me in or not when I'm on reserve. So that is like a weight that's going to be lifted off of my chest. So yeah, let me get started. Oh, so here's the bag of stuff that I'm donating that was my husband's stuff. So he didn't have as much as me, but at least he had some stuff. Okay, I got all the bathing suit cover-ups in this bin here. I'm just gonna put that in there, and then here are all my bathing suits that I'm gonna put in my closet. So my husband has shoes that are lined up like all down here below his clothes. I think I'm going to throw them in this empty bin here, and hopefully he's okay with that because we got like 3 of these things that are empty, so why not get some clutter off the floor and put his shoes in here. I just went through all of my shoes, and these are the ones that I'm getting rid of, and these are the ones that I am keeping, and I'm going to just slide them right back under the bed. That's what you got to do when you have a tiny closet. Okay, now I have to go through this bin of shoes. Let's see what I can find to get rid of. Okay, and these are the ones that didn't make the cut. Okay guys, I am all done, and let me tell you, this feels so good to have a nice, clean, organized closet and only have like clothes that I know that I'll wear, that don't like bring back bad memories whenever I wear them. I made sure I did not keep anything that had any negative emotions tied to them. And yeah, let me just show you guys the outcome. We'll start over here on my side. Have all my short sleeve tees here. I haven't hung up my summer clothes yet. Look at all these hangers. Here's my jeans, and here is my like khakis and black pants and colored pants. Then I have all my sweaters lined up here, and down here I have like my robes and my spring jackets that I'll be wearing, and all my long sleeve tops. I tried to color coordinate them as best as I could, like my solids on this side and my prints right here, sweater jackets, whatever they're called, right there, and then some of my nicer undershirts right here. I need to buy more of those. Then I have our iron and our steamer back there. This is my light I use for my psoriasis. And my jewelry box here. This drawer houses my bathing suits. This drawer is my leggings. And then I put all my husband's extra shoes in these drawers here. So there's like a couple that fit in each little bin. So that worked out perfectly. Then we have our ironing board back there. Up top here I have all my husband's sweaters, and then long sleeve shirts on the top. And I'm going to buy another one of these racks. These things are amazing. So I'm going to buy probably about 2 more of these and hang up the rest of his pants on there. That way he can have more space. Then I tried to color code this as much as I could too, but he's not picky, so it'll be okay. He keeps his extra hats here, belts, and then short sleeve, well, he has his blazer here, and short sleeve shirts down here. Okay, so here's this little I don't know what you call this. If you know what this is called, put it in the comments below, because yeah, we got this in Korea. I love it, but it's kind of getting beat up, as you can tell. But over here I have all my black shirts, and then these are just shorts in the back. These are all my undershirts, like tank tops, and I have it from, I've tried to organize everything from dark that goes to light, so it's more appealing on the eye. And then this is all of my t-shirts, so underneath here is another layer of t-shirts. Every single t-shirt is in here. I'm so proud of myself for that, because I used to have way too many t-shirts. And then in this, it just has my bathing suit overlays, whatever you call them. Down here I have all of my pants, my casual comfy pants and sweatpants. And in here I have all of my comfy sweatshirts. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this closet makeover Kon Mari style, and maybe it gave you some inspiration to do the same thing to your closet. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!